Oh my God, the deadline is in 1 minute and I have not written a single word!
You had 8 hours to finish the project, but you fell into the ultimate trap, the procrastination monster.
Always wait until the last minute, and how do we stop? Welcome to episode 220.
I will do it tomorrow. This is the biggest lie we tell ourselves. You sit down to work, but suddenly you need coffee. Then you need to clean your desk. Then you check your phone. Before you know it, the clock strikes midnight. You are terrified, and the page is still blank. Welcome to episode 220. Today, we are defeating the procrastination monster. Why do we wait until the last minute? Is it laziness? No, it is a psychological trap. Today, you will learn the vocabulary to identify your bad habits and the exact strategy to stop delaying your life. Let's watch Leo panic.
You have been sitting there all morning. Have you actually started writing the financial report yet?
I am just putting it off for a few hours because I work much better under pressure.
You are not working under pressure. You are just dreading the task because it is difficult and boring. Pause. You know you are delaying the work because you are scared of it. Admit your bad habit.
Use the phrase putting it off. 3 seconds. Go.
I admit that I keep putting it off because I am completely dreading this massive assignment.
Leo told Mia, I work better under pressure. That is a lie. Mia called him out. She said, You are putting it off. Repeat after me. Putting it off. To put something off is a phrasal verb meaning to delay or postpone a task. Stop putting off your homework. But why do we put things off? Leo admitted he was dreading the assignment. Repeat after me, dreading. To dread means to feel intense fear or anxiety about something. We procrastinate because the task makes us feel bad. So, we run away to find instant comfort. But where do we run to?
Instead of working, Leo falls into the rabbit hole. He only meant to check his messages for 5 minutes. I just spent 3 hours doom scrolling through terrible news, and now I feel incredibly anxious and tired.
You completely zoned out again. You need to put your phone in another room to break the addiction. Pause. You realize you wasted hours looking at bad news. Explain what happened to your friend.
Use the phrase doom scrolling. 3 seconds. Go.
I lost all my focus because I started doom scrolling on social media and completely forgot the time.
When we run away from work, we usually fall into a digital trap. Leo spent hours doom scrolling. Repeat after me, doom scrolling. This is a modern term. It means endlessly scrolling through social media, reading negative news or useless videos, even though it makes you feel worse. When you do this, you zone out. Repeat after me, zone out. To zone out means your brain disconnects and you lose all concentration. You become a zombie. You must break this cycle before it ruins your day.
See, I am not lazy. I organized the entire kitchen and cleaned every single dish in the house.
That is called productive procrastination. You are just doing easy chores to avoid writing the actual report.
You are right. I am just tricking my own brain. I am exhausted and the document is still empty.
Pause. You are cleaning your room instead of studying for tomorrow's exam. Confess your behavior. Okay, I confess. I was cleaning.
Use the phrase productive procrastination. 3 seconds. Go.
Cleaning the floor is just productive procrastination because I am terrified of failing the math exam tomorrow.
Sometimes we try to trick our own brains. Leo cleaned his entire kitchen perfectly. He felt proud. But Mia recognized the trap. Productive procrastination. Repeat after me. Productive procrastination. This is extremely dangerous. It feels like real work. You are busy cleaning, organizing, or answering useless emails. But you are just doing easy chores to avoid the hard, important work. You are being busy, but not effective. So, what is the ultimate cure?
Tomorrow morning, you need to change your strategy. You must apply the rule, eat the frog.
Eat the frog? What does a disgusting green animal have to do with my financial business report?
It means you do the hardest task first thing in the morning. Break it down into small paragraphs.
Okay, I understand. I will eat the frog immediately so I don't suffer from anxiety all day long.
Mia gave Leo the most famous productivity advice in the world. Eat the frog. Repeat after me. Eat the frog. This idiom comes from Mark Twain. The frog represents your biggest, hardest, most dreaded task of the day. If you eat a live frog first thing in the morning, the rest of your day will be easy. Do the hardest thing first. Don't let the frog sit on your desk staring at you. Break it down into small, easy steps and start eating.
Pronunciation Clinic. In fast spoken English, we link the words together. Don't say put it off like a robot. Say it smoothly. Put it off. The T becomes a soft D sound. Linking words makes you sound like a native speaker. Rapid fire test. Choose option A or B in 3 seconds. Ready?
You have a terrifying project due tomorrow. What should you do right now? 3, 2, 1. Option A. I need to eat the frog and finish the most difficult section before checking my phone.
Time is your most valuable asset. Stop scrolling, start working, and conquer your day.
To speak English naturally, you must master linking sounds. Don't pronounce phrasal verbs like a robot. Put it off. The consonants and vowels connect. Say, put it off. The T sounds like a fast D. I put it off until tomorrow. This makes your English flow smoothly. Let's review the power vocabulary to beat laziness. Number 1. Put off. Repeat after me, put off. To delay a task. Do not put off your responsibilities. Number 2. Dread. Repeat after me, dread. To fear doing something. I am dreading this meeting. Number 3. Doom scrolling. Repeat after me. Doom scrolling. Endlessly reading negative content online. Stop doom scrolling at night. Number 4. Productive procrastination. Repeat after me. Productive procrastination. Doing easy chores to avoid real work. Cleaning the garage is just productive procrastination. Number 5. Eat the frog. Repeat after me. Eat the frog. Do your hardest task first. Wake up early and eat the frog. Time is the only resource you cannot buy back. Stop making excuses. Stop hiding in the digital rabbit hole. And stop tricking yourself with productive procrastination. Identify your frog tonight. Wake up tomorrow morning and eat it immediately. If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan a part of your life, show your energy by smashing that like button. Be a hero for a friend by sharing this video with someone you know is too busy to study. And to lock in your commitment to this challenge, subscribe and smash that notification bell. I'm Scarlett. Put down your phone, start working, and I'll see you in the next episode.